To make this video for Mercedes owners or possibly BMW, a wheel removal. So let's say you're out in the middle of nowhere and you got a flat tire, and you have this is an AMG. It has the AMG wheels and it has this center cap. If you can take a look at that, and if you look at the center cap, these do not pry off. If you look, it's got little notches all the way around the sides. And if you have it off, you can see it. It's just plastic, but it's threaded. So what you're looking for in the back, and I've run into this so many times where this is missing. So if you're going out on an adventure, I just want to show you what it looks like so that you can see it for your own eyes. I think 17 mil goes here. That's your socket goes on there. It's got all the notches cut out to match that center cap. Like so, and these spin free right here, just so you know. So you start turning this, you think, oh my God, it's going to strip off. Well, it doesn't. It's got so many teeth in there, but that's exactly what you're looking for. Two, I wanted to show you're going to run into now is the wheel locks. So on your AMG specifically, you're going to want to find this box, because in this box, let me open it up here. You are going to have a special key. Now these keys are pretty sweet, unlike some of the aftermarket stuff. That lives right there. And depending on your spare, sometimes you have to have different lug nuts because of the offset. This one doesn't have any. Now, you may not know that you have wheel locks because it looks just like a regular lug nut that's on the car. But if you look closely, there are teeth on one, and I mean they are super notched out. I mean, this is high quality wheel lock, and you're not going to get that thing off unless you've got that special key. Okay, so the two things when you buy your Mercedes or you're in need of changing your wheels, make sure you have the cap key, get the center cap off. And make sure you can find this box that contains your special wheel lock key. Hope that helps.